Ma chère mademoiselle, it is with deepest pride and greatest pleasure that we welcome you tonight. And now we invite you to relax. Let us pull up a chair as the dining room proudly presents your dinner.
That's right. Come on. All right. Ask the dishes. Yeah. They can sing, sing, sing. They can dance, dance, dance. After all, miss, this is friends. And a dinner here is never, never second best.